Hello. The TP-Link Wi-Fi USB adapter model TL-WN722N is one of the recommended Wi-Fi adapters for wireless network hacking. It is effective and much cheaper in price compared to most of the Wi-Fi USB adapters. However, when it comes to changing this USB adapter to monitor mode in order to be used for network hacking, it is very challenging. Even if you know a bunch of command lines to configure it to monitor mode, you most of the time will face issues that force you to restart your machine and start over. That is why I have designed a tool called XITP, which bypasses most of the issues and makes setting your TP-Link Wi-Fi USB adapter to monitor mode easily and in just a short time. I have attached a link to the tool in the description below. Let's show you how the tool works. Here is the page of the tool in my GitHub profile. I just need to clone it. So just click on this button and clone it here. Open the terminal. I already opened it here. You can open from this button if you know. And I need to make sure that I have attached it, alright? I have config here. It's here attached and it's in manage mode. It's very hard to change it to monitor mode here. Even if I have a bunch of commands, it will be challenging. Maybe you fail sometimes, okay? And here are the Wi-Fi networks around me. I need to run the tool, so I need to clone it first. Get clone, then paste the link. Here it's been cloned to XITP folder. You need to go there. Here, okay. Listing. These are tool files, and this is a tool. This tool needs to run with the highest privilege. That's why I need to use sudo here and Python 3 and then the name of the tool. Enter. You see, the tool now is running, alright? And it's gonna change, it's ready now to change your TP-Link model TL-WN722N to monitor mode. And now it's asking you, is this a permission? Would you like to proceed? Because a lot of configuration will be processed. That's why it's asking you here. And if your USB adapter is not attached, this tool will not work. So I just need to enter Y or yes, okay? And then enter. Now it's being processed. Updating your system first, of course, because it's gonna download a lot of repositories and tools to be used for configure it to monitor mode. It will take a little few minutes. Okay, now it's running, and don't care about this warning because in apt command actually running in a script, this warning shows. Now it's cloning this repository to your machine, to my machine now. Here, running the make command. Alright, this will take just few minutes because it will run a huge bunch of commands here. And if you notice, if I press in here, the wireless or Wi-Fi networks around me have disappeared, okay? Wait for a few minutes. Now it's installed, and now the Wi-Fi USB adapter is successfully configured. If you checked it, you will find it's in auto mode. Now it's asking you if you would like to change to monitor mode. Now I just enter Y or yes. Then enter. Now your wireless USB has been set to monitor mode. I wanna here make sure that I will double config. Here you see mode is monitor. Now it's set to monitor mode in just really few minutes. If I would like to run it again, to run the tool again here, it already tells you that it's already in monitor mode, alright? If I unplug my USB adapter, if I just face an issue, okay, you see, it's not there. Now, it's not there, okay? Clear the screen, and I plug it in again. I double config. You see, it's auto. If I run the tool again here, it tells you it's already in auto mode, and if you would like to change it to monitor mode now or just reconfigure, just enter these both options. I just choose set, reconfigure will start over. Okay, sometimes you're gonna face issues, so just even you need to reconfigure it. So if you just try with set first, if didn't change it to monitor mode successfully, you can run the configure and then you will be able to change it to monitor mode with this tool again. Okay, set here. You know, see, I need to reconfigure it. Okay, yeah, that's why sometimes happens. So this tool really will save you a lot of time. If I run the tool again, I need to reconfigure, recon, fig here, enter. Sorry, it's invalid entry. Okay, take this copy to avoid any typo. I'm sorry, yeah, not here. Like this, enter. Now it's starting over again, updating your system and go through all these processes till configure successfully. Now the Wi-Fi is about successfully configured. If I just press Y, now change to monitor mode again, config. Here, see, it's in monitor mode now. It's very easy. This tool really made it easy. I designed it because I've been facing a lot of issues while running a whole bunch of commands to configure this Wi-Fi adapter. I found it really useful to use this USB adapter for network hacking because it really has a really wide range and very fast and really effective while doing network or Wi-Fi hacking. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any query and I will respond to you.